We just finished up our YouTube workshop. And my biggest takeaway was these big companies don't help you get started. They always assume that you know how to create an account. They assume that you know how to optimize your profile. And their how-to guides are very, very specific and choppy. And it was amazing, even people that have been on YouTube for a while that were in our class, they still didn't realize that they had missed a couple steps during the setup process. And we were able to really kind of help them optimize their channel and optimize their posts. And I think that's where we fail in the tech world all the time, is we don't help with those beginning steps and those beginning pieces. And that's what we're trying to do with these workshops, is we're trying to give you a jump start so that you can start off on the right foot. If you want to attend our next shop or our next workshop, you know where to find us.